you ever wanted to live on the golf course? Me too. I'm Shilo Storey, the real estate story with RE/MAX First, and welcome to 1123 Woodside Way. This house is situated on Woodside Golf Course and has been completely renovated. You have to come on in and check it out. When you walk in the front door, you notice that the brand new staircase is custom and white with black wrought iron accents. The front formal living room can be a dining room, a formal sitting room, and maybe even an office. Although, tucked back in the corner in the main floor is a private office space. The upgraded two-piece bathroom is beautiful. Let's start with this amazing kitchen. It is brand new, white, beautiful black splash, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, including a gas stove. And then into the living room, they've completely renovated and updated the amazing gas fireplace. Downstairs, there's a huge rec room with 2 spaces to use as you need, as well as a 4th spacious bedroom, loads of storage, and a 3-piece bathroom. Other great features of this home are the luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main level, freshly painted, updated lighting fixtures, as well as plumbing fixtures throughout the home. Outside, the no-maintenance deck with Trex decking as well as glass and aluminum railing steps down into the fully landscaped park-like backyard with beautiful views of Woodside Golf Course. Situated off the 11th tee boxes, you really reap the benefits of all the mature trees of Woodside Golf Course. For more information on this awesome listing, check out my website at shilostorey.com. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.